And welcome back. In this video we're going to create another prefab. We're going to create this one for the target. Now the target's a little more complicated than the projectile. The projectile just had one primitive object and one simple material. That was just a color that we added. The target has two different primitive objects. It's got a target and a target frame. And before we actually add them to the prefab, we're going to create a hierarchy for them. And that's something we did before, but it's been a number of chapters since we talked about that, so this might be a nice little review. Then we're going to add materials to both the target and the target frame. And the material that we use for the target frame is going to be just a simple color like the projectile was, but the material for the target is going to be an image that we import. And we've done that before, but it may be a while since you've seen that as well, so maybe this will be a little bit of review on that. So nothing that tough, just kind of building on what we've done before with a little bit of review thrown in to start putting all these different pieces we've been learning together. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to start out here. Select the prefabs directory, create prefab, and we're going to call this one target, not too surprising. Now we've got the target and the target frame. Like we said, we're going to take and make the target a child of the target frame. Just drag it to it. There it is. So take the target frame, move it over to the target prefab, and there it is. And you can see there's two different pieces here, the target and the target frame. We can spin this preview around here, and there you can see it. There they are. Okay, we've got those there. And go back to the prefabs directory. Now we're going to create a material, and we're going to call this one target material. And that's going to be for that center part. And we need another material, so create material, and give this one a slightly different name so we can tell them apart. So target frame material. There they are. And now we're going to import that image. So assets, import new asset. Go to your game assets. Now we need to find one here. It's going to be easy to see if you're in images, called target image. Now we've also got these target image 1 through target image 4. We don't want those, just this one for now. Click import. There it is. And select the target material. Drag it up here. There it is. We can go back to target. Put it on it. Remember, you want to do this to the inner target, not the target frame. Now, target frame material, we're just going to give this a color. So come up here, and I'm just going to make it black. You can make it a different color if you want. So close that, and then take the material and drag it to the outer target object. So there you can see. It's like that. Looks good. Look in our preview. Pretty much the same thing. So there it is. Now, since we've got that as a prefab, we don't need this one. Make sure it's selected. You can right-click and delete. You can also just hit the delete key if you want. So we'll save our scene, and that's it for that prefab.